Welcome to JH. You've probably stumbled upon Modsera.com, a website that claims to sell custom-built watches inspired by luxury designs, featuring Seiko automatic movements and sapphire crystal glass. It sounds incredibly fancy, doesn't it? It's the kind of pitch that makes you think you're getting a Rolex for the price of a sandwich. But the big question remains, is this site actually legit? Let's dig a little deeper into this digital storefront before you decide to part with your hard-earned cash. The first major concern is the website's registration. When we checked the records, we found that Modsera.com was created in February 2025. It's so new it basically still has the digital equivalent of new car smell, except with more potential for disappointment. While being a new business isn't a crime, the complete lack of a track record makes it a massive gamble for online shoppers. Buying from a site this fresh is about as reliable as trusting a toddler with your life savings. Next up are their aggressive sales tactics. They're currently pushing a buy two, get one free deal paired with a ticking countdown timer. This is a classic trick straight out of the How to Build a Shady Website handbook. It's designed to create a false sense of urgency, panicking you into buying something quickly before you realize you're potentially being taken for a ride. If a deal feels like it's going to disappear in 5 minutes, it's usually because they don't want you to spend 6 minutes doing actual research. Then there's the total lack of transparency regarding who actually runs the place. When we looked for an owner or a parent company, we found absolutely nothing. Legitimate businesses usually like to brag about who they are. But here, the About Us section is more of a who are we? None of your business section. This lack of accountability is a massive red flag. It's hard to trust a company that treats its own identity like a top-secret government file. The contact details don't inspire much confidence either. At first glance, they list a live chat, a physical address, and an email. However, the live chat is about as responsive as a brick wall, and the address appears to be lazily copied from another source. This kind of inconsistency makes you wonder if their customer support team is just a single broken bot in a basement somewhere. If you can't even get a hello from a chat box, good luck getting a refund if your watch arrives looking like it came out of a cereal box. The most entertaining red flag, however, is the reviews. On their own website, some reviews are dated 2024, despite the domain not existing until 2025. Apparently, Modsera doesn't just sell watches. They sell time machines that allow customers to leave feedback a year before the store opened. External reviews on Reddit are a mixed bag of chaos, with users reporting delayed orders, fake tracking numbers, and suspicious storefronts. While a few people claim to be happy with their purchases, it seems like a total hit or miss situation. So, is Modsera.com legit? While they do showcase some nice-looking watches, there are simply too many red flags to ignore. Between the brand-new domain, the hidden ownership, and the reviews from the future, this site should be approached with extreme caution. If you're still brave enough to buy, make sure your bank has a very robust dispute process, because you might just need it. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this reality check helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest and slightly cynical reviews.